We'll guide you through how to insert a logo in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on CapCut, and so you want to go and insert your logo. So this can be a great way of representing your brand. It could be a YouTube channel or actual business, it doesn't matter. And it goes and shows who you are, and you may want it for the entire video or just a part of it. So to get started with this, you want to go and either create a new project or open up an existing one. So in this case, I'll go and open up an existing one here, but it could go and be a new one. So now what you need to do is you can go to the bottom and you need to go and find the option for overlay. It's important to note you need to make sure that you've got the logo saved into your camera roll. So for example, I went and saved the GuideRealm icon because that is my brand into my camera roll. And then what you can do is go and press add overlay at the bottom. At the top, you need to go and find the option for photos and you can go and tap there. Then you can go and select the logo and press add in the bottom right, and there it is. So you can pinch on it in the preview to go and resize it and then drag it to where you want it to be. For example, you may want it in the top right. Then if you come into the timeline, you can tap and hold the start and end points to adjust when you want it to be. Whether it's the entire video or just part of it is going to be up to you. And of course, you could always go and tap on animations that's selected at the bottom to go and have an intro or an outro animation for it. So that's going to be up to you.